Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can start Google Maps in satellite view. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up Google Maps, then click on your profile icon on the top right, and if you go into settings near the bottom, all you'll need to do is just scroll down and you should see Start Maps in Satellite View. Just be aware this will use more data on your phone or device. So all you have to do is toggle that on. So when you come out of here, you'll see it set up in satellite view. But even if you close it down and open it back up, it will remain in satellite view. Thanks for watching.